Jake has made it all the way up to the top. Wow, just need an extra hand to get some things up, like, you know, this drill and the plywood. We got to take this window here out as a sample to know what we're working with. And what's really cool is to see this original hardware. This is like a pivot hardware where this one complete sash goes in this opening, and it's designed to tilt into the opening, right? And the bottom would kick out, and wow. Is wow okay to say? Yeah, I say wow a lot because
wow.
I'm really interested in this stuff. So, and
wow.
Okay, stepping through. Oh boy, look at this place. Wow. Sorry to interrupt, but can you just imagine? Wow. The theater that was here once, and so wow, beautiful. Wow. Okay, look at this. Amazing. All right, so here we are up here. Jake's obviously also intrigued. Rightfully so. So this is an original jam. It's still here. I'm so fortunate to find something original. The sash wasn't original. That's why you see all that stuff right there. It's rotten to the core. And here's another one, better example, an even better example of being rotted. So, but you know what? That's an original sill. The sill is still good there. It's a heart pine sill. Maybe it might be good on this one. Here on mine, okay, we're gonna have to do some repair on this guy for sure. But
you can see where the damage is from where they put the nails in, like back here.
Yeah.
Good.
Say it again?
I'm gonna say that you can tell like where the damage starts is where they put the nail through. So open up that piece of the wood to all the water and rot damage. Yeah.
Right.
It is
Still good there. Yeah. Any place the water can get in, it exploits, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know, and so Jake's saying at that nail, there's a lot of evidence that's where the water got in. That's where it starts. So it would run down the sash to where that nail, this nail here, that's what was holding the sash in. And that's it. That and this caulking. So, and a couple of stops. There was you can see the shadow of the stop right here. The one that goes around. That is, you know, those pieces right there. And there's an interior stop here as well holding the sash in, but no nails. Here's a nail holding this guy in. I guess this is one of those windows where they thought nobody'd ever come up here, and I guess nobody ever did because, I mean, access here is just like, how are you supposed to get up here? Like, look at those windows over there. Okay, how are you supposed to get up and maintenance those? I mean, there's no floor to speak of at all. So, you know, in the mezzanine, there's no floor in that at all. I mean, you look up here, so I can blow that up a little bit. There's no floor over there either. So there's no chance anybody could have of doing any maintenance to these whatsoever. So it makes me wonder, maybe I ought to check those windows out over there. That's pretty cool, huh? Oh wow, look. Over there. That's the original handrail that was taken down and saved. Cool. Boom. So, I'll check out those windows to see what those are all about. All right, so we're gonna board this up now. I'm gonna hand Jake's still here? I'm gonna hand this over to you, Jake, so that you can film me putting that plywood in, because filming somebody put some plywood in, I mean, that's really amazing footage, you know what I'm saying? That's like the best. But you got to cover the opening up, right? Hopefully I cut it the right size. Oh, I like it. Okay, so I'm putting this piece in first, and then I'm going to overlap it. Okay. So I'm just going to put a screw, this, trying to hit this corner here because that corner is easy to caulk the screw hole, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go over here on the other side. All right, here we go. There's that. Okay, that's in. I knew he was a little short. I'm gonna lift him up and put a screw right there for a handle. Get another screw ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Boom, put that there. I put a screw. So I got my knee clamp on it. You see my knee clamp?
So expensive to replace.
Yeah, they are expensive to replace. This one's currently in need of some new parts, but I can still make it work.
Does the job.
There we go. All right, I'm gonna put, there we go, that screw in there. That'll hold it. It's important that you get the overlap so that overlap it this way so the water continues out. Not that this something would get in there, but well, look. Ooh, is that, I thought it was like more saturated, but it's not. But that's not bad. That's not bad for a piece of heart pine. You know what I'm saying? Because that piece of pine has been in there for, let's see, 1912 was when the building was opened. It's 2021, 109 years. Hey, you know, what can you say? I mean, give it a break, all right? I mean, 109 years of service. Hey, okay. We'll help you out. All right. So, all right, thanks for watching. That's this segment, this episode of Centro Espanol Museum rebuild. Excellent.